Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use dall-e from ChatGPT to remove people from the backgrounds of your photos. So the first step is to go to chatgpt.com, and on the prompt screen click on this plus button. So here you can click on it and then select the option add photos and files. So select the photo you want to upload, and now we can start writing our prompt. So I'll start with something simple. Let's say take this image and remove the people in the background. So I'd say we're pretty satisfied with our prompt. Let's press enter and give it time to process the image. So it's going to analyze and generate a new image based on our photo. Sometimes you might have to give it more detailed prompts depending on how cluttered your image looks. And it's a good rule of thumb to be as descriptive as you have to be. So far, the thumbnail looks good. Let's give it a few more minutes to finish up, and there we go. So here's our finished product. Overall, I'm very satisfied with it. It completely removed the people standing on the stage behind and preserved a lot of the detail of the original photo. So let's just mouse over it, click on download, and now we have that image saved for any future use. So that was how to remove people from the backgrounds of your photos using dall-e.